everybody, we're gonna make some paper butterflies today. So you're going to start out with a big circle and a little circle. You'll find them in your kit. And you're going to fold each one in half. So make them look like tacos. Now we're going to fold them again to make them look like little fans. Or quesadillas, if we're still talking Mexican food. And the paper's kind of thick, so if you need some help, ask a grown-up or a bigger kid for help. Once you've got them folded up looking like fans, you're gonna layer the little one inside the bigger one, like this. And you're going to line them up on the edge that's not folded, so not the crease, or not the fold edge. And then, on that very edge, you're gonna put your stapler right on the crease. And you're gonna put one staple. All right, see, we've got one staple in there. And then you're gonna fold them back. So little circle on little circle, big circle on big circle. And you're going to fold out the wings. So bend them out like so. So you end up with a butterfly like that. Now our butterfly needs some antennae, like every good butterfly. So there's some paper or some toothpicks in there. You have some toothpicks in there. And you are going to kind of roll the edge of your long piece of paper around there, just to curl your antenna just a little bit. And if you don't want to use green with green, if you want your butterfly to have purple antenna, that's okay too. So you're gonna curl that around, just like that. See how my toothpick fits through there? Then we're going to fold our antenna in half and crease the bottom. You're gonna take some glue. You could also use tape. The glue looks a little nicer. And you're gonna glue up the edges. Just the very tip there, you can kind of see some of my purple glue. And take the bigger wings of your butterfly, because the bigger wings are on top. You're gonna put the antenna in the middle, and then you're gonna pinch, like so, to hold it together. So just hold it a little bit for that glue to start sticking, and then you have a butterfly. Now, if you would like to hang your butterfly up on a tree branch, to make kind of a butterfly tree, or a tree that looks like butterflies have landed on it, we're going to make a hole. And we're going to put some wire through. So if you want to make a hole to hang your butterfly from a tree, you're gonna grab something to make a hole with. So you could use a pen. I've got a little screwdriver here. I also have a hole punch. We just want something that we can put the wire through for the butterfly. So I'm gonna try the hole punch. You're gonna smash your butterfly down a little bit and fit the punch through. We can shape him back in a little bit. Get it through to the edge, and then punch. All right, so now our butterfly has a hole in his back. So with that hole, we're gonna put some wire through to hang it from a tree. So there's some wire in your kit, or you can use paper clips if you'd like. I'm gonna take my wire and fold it around. So I've got a little hook on the end, and then I'm going to stick it through the hole. And I don't want it to come back up through the hole. So what I'm going to do, because this wire is really soft, is loop it around and pull it through. So you gotta kind of fiddle with it a little bit to get it tight. And I'm gonna loop it through like that. And I'm gonna form my butterfly again. Bend the wire up and then loop it around. And then you can hang it on a tree if you'd like.